Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's Echo Stretch. In this video we got some great news. We do have a PS5 Webkit available now. As for now, there's no kernel exploit or no way to actually get into the PS5, but this is good news, guys. This is what we've been waiting for, and I'm excited that we're actually got this part done and we're ready to move on to the next step. So just go ahead and make sure you hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. But let's just jump right into it. Z did tweet out just recently. We'd released a small write-up and some code for the user LAN on the PS5. This is great news. If we jump over to Spectre's Twitter, he basically just says that he was hoping to get the exfat bug working, but it's much tougher on the PS5 than it is on the PS4. Still a possibility, but there's still a lot of work to be done to find a way. But at least the user LAN portion is out of the way, and we can jump ahead and just start testing this out and see where it leads us. So I did jump over to the link on Cheddar Chap's GitHub here. He does have the code here for download. I went ahead and downloaded it and created a GitHub just to see if I could play around with GitHub. I was wanted to play around with it anyway, so I ended up just uploading this here so we can go ahead and jump over to the PS5 and we'll just give it a try and see what happens. So let's do that now, and I'll get the PS5 loaded up. Okay, so now that we're over to the PS5, we'll go over to our settings. We'll go into System Software and Console Information. You can see that I am on 4.03. This is only going to work for 4.03, so if you're on a higher firmware, it's not going to work. And if you're on a lower firmware, the best thing to do is just stay on that lower firmware for now. Don't do any updates. Wait to see what happens, and then, yeah, we'll definitely go from there. I will keep you guys updated, so just make sure you're subscribed and you turn on that bell notification. So let's go ahead and back out of there. We will need a way to actually access the website, so we'll use Alazif's DNSs. Just go into Network. If you're already connected to the network, you're good to go. Just go into Settings and set up internet connection, and just go ahead and click Options on the connected network you're on, and go to Advanced Settings. And then you can go ahead and type in the primary and secondary DNS. I do have both there. I'll leave it up on the screen for a couple of moments there. You can go ahead and just pause the video and get those typed in. Once you do, just go ahead and hit OK, and you should be good to go. So we're just going to go back out of there because we already have them at it. We'll just continue to go back out, right out to our main settings, and then we'll go up to our User Guide. Go into User Guide and select User Guide. It should automatically redirect us to Alazif's DNSs. If you do get a security warning here, just go ahead and say yes to it. And then once we are in, we'll go ahead and press L2 twice. So our first one will bring up the first settings, and then the second one will bring up our redirect. So we can go ahead and type in my host, which is Echo Stretch. I already have it up in here because I've been there. echostretch.github.io. Go ahead and hit submit. Give it a few moments here, and it should pop up with 3 messages. Okay, so there's our first message, and there's our second one, and then our final one. Go ahead and hit OK. And then it just continues to load as there's nothing else to go. We can go ahead and hit our PlayStation button again. Just go back in there again, and we'll give it another try, and I'll show you that it does work pretty good with no issues. I've tried it multiple times, no memory errors or nothing like that. It works every time. And then we'll go ahead and hit submit again. Give it a few moments, and it should pop up with our 3 messages. There we go. First one, second one, and then the final one. Go ahead and hit OK, and we're good to go. So I just want to jump on, guys, and show you that there we are moving in the right direction. A lot of developers out there are working on this as well. But yeah, if you did like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.